today's video is all about ICT. First of all, you have to understand what is ICT. So ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Now here are three words in this term, that is information, communication and technology. So as you all know, information is any useful or meaningful data that is being processed. Then communication is the sharing or exchange of information, and technology is the term applied sciences like computer, smartphones or the networks. So here in this term ICT there are three terms: information, communication and technology. But here some people focuses on a single term like information, some focuses on communication and some focuses on technology. But it is all together a single term that represent all the technologies for communication of information. All the technologies that are for the communication of information. In simple word, we can say the exchange of information. The technologies used for the exchange of information are under the terms of ICT. So guys, you are familiar with IT or CT. These two are the different technologies. IT represents for information technology and CT represents for communication technologies. These two are different terms and these two are different technologies. For IT is the technology that is used for collecting, processing and storing data. Any technology that is used for the processing of, collecting, processing and storing of information is the term IT. Like you can say the computers and the smartphone where you can just create the data, process the data and store the data, that is under the term IT. But when you just talk about the term communication technology, that means any technology that is used for sharing information. Like radio, in simple word we can say the broadcasting of information, that is radio, television. So when we combine these two terms, that is IT and CT, that make a single term ICT. That means information and communication technology is the infrastructure and components that enable modern computing. So friend, there is no single or universal definition of ICT, but when we talk about ICT, we can say that all devices, networking components, applications and systems that combine allow people or organization to interact. It means all the devices that are used, the networking application system that allow people to communicate or that allow people to exchange their information is under the term ICT. Here the technologies, tools, resources that include computers. Computer as you all know for sharing, creating and storing of your information. Then internet in the form of, you can say, website, blogs and emails. Then you are familiar with broadcasting technologies, that are the radio and television, and the recorded broadcasting technologies like podcasting or the audio video players and storage devices. So all the devices, all the technologies, that all come together and combine for the exchange of information. And here the goal of ICT is to facilitate the way information is collected, created, processed, transmitted and stored. So we can say the goal of ICT, information and communication technology, is to improve the access of information. The basic purpose of ICT is the technology that helps you to communicate, and the purpose is to improve the access of information and make it human to human, human to machine and machine to machine communication easier and more efficient. So friend, ICT, here are a lot of technologies that come under the umbrella of ICT, and I am going to mention some of the technologies that are very important and efficient, and need to be discussed in the earlier in the next videos. So we are going to discuss those technologies in the next video. So here are the technologies that are important and come under the umbrella of ICT that need to be discussed, and these are edge computing, IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotics. The youth have very much interest in robotics though, data analytics, distributed networks, machine learning, 5G and blockchain. So friends, in our next videos we are going to learn about these different technologies in detail. So if you find my content relevant, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves.